Divide and Ride by Stuart J. Murphy. It's carnival day for our group of 11 best friends. The daredevils first, and we'll need to divide. 2 people fit in each seat, and each seat must be filled before we can ride. We can fill 5 seats, but 1 friend is left over from our group of 11 best friends. 11 divided by 2 equals 5 full seats with 1 friend left over. Amanda yells, "Come fill this seat," to a kid we don't even know. 11 plus 1 equals 2. 12 divided by 2 equals 6 full seats. Then up we go with a jolt and a chug. Yikes! We're flying straight down. For the satellite wheel, again we'll divide. It holds 3 people per chair, and each chair must have 3 before we can ride. We can fill 3 chairs, but 2 friends are left over from our group of 11 best friends. 11 divided by 3 equals 3 full chairs, with 2 friends left over. Patty and Jack shout, "Jump in here," to a kid we've never even met. 11 plus 1 equals 12. 12 divided by 3 equals 4 full chairs. Then up we start, we swing to the top, then round and around we go. For the twin spin cars, once more we'll divide. The ticket man shouts, 4 people per car. Each car must be filled before you can ride. We can fill 2 cars, but 3 friends are left over from our group of 11 best friends. 4 people per car. 11 divided by 4 equals 2 full cars, with 3 friends left over. Mickey, Jill, and Rob scream, "Come with us," to a kid we've never even seen. 11 plus 1 equals 12. 12 divided by 4 equals 3 full cars. Then we turn and twirl, we twist and whirl, and we spin around real fast. At last, on the raft, we don't need to divide. There are 14 seats in all, and every seat must be filled before we can ride. To fill all the seats, we need to add 3 kids to our group of 11 best friends. 14 minus 11 equals 3 empty seats. So we call to the kid we didn't even know, we yell to the kid we'd never even met, and we holler to the kid we'd never even seen before. Then we start to slide and to slip and slosh. We land at the bottom with a great big splash. Now we're 14 carnival friends. 11 plus 3 equals 14. The end.